Welcome back to YMH News, where we cover everything from your family, your mother's cooking, to the weather. Breaking news, catastrophe strikes at the heart of Texas' very own renowned Mystery Flesh Pit National Park. Located inside the inexplicably large living creature buried underground, Mystery Flesh Pit National Park is the first of its kind, brought to you by the well-known innovators at Anodyne Inc. This park provides an escape for the whole family, from exhilarating tours to the libido baths. Unfortunately, due to mistakes made by Anodyne Inc., the living park seems to have choked, swallowing hundreds of people trapped within and causing severe earthquakes all across the state. I've gotten word we have a reporter on the scene. Over to you.
Live on the scene here today at Mystery Flesh Pit National Park with one of the survivors of today's events. What is your name?
Charlie.
What brought you here today to Mystery Flesh Pit National Park?
Well, it's the 4th of July, as you may have noticed. Me and my family came to see the fireworks that they were offering, and then they were canceled. Then they threw us into the pit to our deaths to get eaten and then vomited out of the pit.
Sounds really exhilarating, for better or for worse. Would you recommend this experience to others considering visiting this park someday?
Are you dense? Would I recommend it to people? I wouldn't recommend it to my worst enemies, much less anyone who I cared about.
Speaking of people you care about, do you think your family enjoyed the park?
My family? Where are my family?
We'll be right back after this break.
Do you lack stamina? Do you suffer from a loss of passion in the bedroom? Try Coke Heartthrob, proven to give an exhilarating, tingly, unforgettable sensation.
Warning, may cause irritation, itchy eyes, frequent urination, memory loss, mood swings, severe depression, unwanted hair growth, organ failure, loss of libido, priapism, mad cow disease, unwanted children, and death. Keep out of the reach of children.
And we're back. Now, I heard there's a pretty high level of biodiversity here at the Mystery Flesh Pit National Park. Would you have any comments on that? I heard lobsters. Yeah, lobsters? Okay.
My beautiful.
Now, on a more personal note, did you enjoy the libido baths?
Actually, yes, I did.
That's great. Lobsters?